Hello folks, this is Aitanaja from inspiredtorise.com and this is Canon's latest mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R. The Canon EOS R is a mirrorless camera. It comes with a 30 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. It also has a low-pass filter which produces images which are almost equivalent to the images as produced by the 5D Mark IV. It has a Digic 8 processor on the inside and its standard ISO sensitivity ranges from 100 to 40,000, which is very similar to the 5D4. The EOS R offers dual pixel RAW. It has got Canon's 14-bit CRW RAW format as well as the relatively new CRAW format, which provides full resolution but smaller file sizes. The camera comes with a single UHS 2 card slot, and you also get options for the microphone and the headphone along with the power in and the USB Type-C and the HDMI out port. The traditional EOS rear dial has been relocated to the camera's top right shoulder. The PowerShot style 4-way controller has taken its place to the right of the LCD on the rear of the camera. There is no dedicated joystick and no traditional PSM dial. The exposure modes are cycled via the mode button at the center of the rearmost control dial to the right of the top plate LCD. Useful Canon features like the touchscreen LCD and the viewfinder, which can be turned to take selfies and to shoot portrait mode videos, is still there, and overall I feel that this camera does come up with all of those classic Canon things which make it a good choice for people who are upgrading from the Canon ecosystem. Canon India representatives didn't allow me to transfer the image samples that I had, but I can assure you of the image quality. The rear LCD comes with a resolution of 2.1 million dots, and I used the f1.250mm lens on this camera and I got some seriously nice shots with that one. The EOS R viewfinder has an OLED panel with a resolution equivalent to 3.69 million dots and a magnification of around 0.76x. The internal battery boasts of around 330 to 560 shots for every single full charge under normal shooting conditions. The camera is capable of shooting up to 4K UHD videos at 30 frames per second. Sadly, it does not have the full frame 4K output. 24p 4K is also available as well as HD up to 60p. The high speed 120p option is only available at 720p. Overall, I found that the camera is quite usable and it can shoot up to a maximum bitrate of 480 Mbps. It has got significant amount of rolling shutter and there is also the jello effect to be seen. The price would be 1,89,000 plus in India for the body itself, and for that f1.250mm lens the price is equivalent to the body's price. So I would say that this camera is really expensive, but it's meant for those people who are seriously looking for good image quality, the dual pixel autofocus system, who love the Canon brand name, and people who are not seriously into a lot of videography. For those people this can be a good camera, but otherwise you have newer options like Nikon's Z7, or you also have other new options like Fujifilm's X-T3. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.